So one thing with Flipgrid that I found really helpful is if you record a response yourself or add kind of that topic focus for students so that they have an idea of what they're doing. So you can either record a response, that would be part of the discussion down here. I'm going to click up here at the topic focus so the students see this when they click on the assignment. And like we saw in the earlier video, you can connect it to a bunch of different things. I'm going to record a video response right now. And this is also going to show you the basics of what screen looks like for students. So if students load this up on their laptop, their Chromebook, this is kind of the view they get. On the phone, it's a bit different, but in essence, it's the same thing, where they've got these different options for text, stickers, drawings, boards that they can do. This big red button here, or white and red button for their recording. If they click on the record, it'll give them a bit of a countdown, and it will start recording their clip. If it's something they like, they go, okay, this was the part that I want to keep going with. They can hit the pause, they can move on to the next, and it gives them a chance to kind of edit the video. They can cut out parts if they click on this, click to edit. They can move the clip. So say they didn't like the very first part, but they wanted to keep this, they could confirm that. They can go back, they can add more to it. So I want a second section maybe where this time I'm going to put on some sweet filters. Oh yeah. I'm going to put on a nice pair of goggles for myself, some shades there. I'm going to put some text. I'm saying, you got this. Move this a bit. I can change the size. And I'm going to record my second segment of this. I'm going, hey, computer science, I just wanted to give you an overlay of the assignment. You're going to be making a Flipgrid video for this today. And here's what I want you to do. Now, if I go next, I can actually see I've got the two clips. So maybe I want to put this one at the very start. I can edit still the clips themselves. So there's a pretty good editor. There's a lot of possibilities with this. You can make the videos. I think the max is out now at about 10 minutes. You can go back, add more sections to it if you want. If I'm happy with the way it is right now, I can click next. I can take a selfie to submit with my video on this one. So I'm going to add, well, maybe just one thing before that. I just wanted to show you the last little bit. So say I want to clear this. A lot of people asked about is there a way to do a whiteboard or a blackboard or kind of any drawing for this? There for sure is. You can use that whiteboard option. You can draw during any of your videos. So if I wanted to say, take a look at this, this is kind of what we're trying to design for this experiment or this lab or this video, you can do that. There's photo stickers where you can add other stickers or other pictures as well. Lots of different options for their Flipgrid videos. They can also, on their mobile phones, they can record their screen too. They can screen record, which was just a new feature kind of added pretty recently. So I think I'm happy with my video. I'm going to click next. I'm going to take my selfie, but first I'm going to put on maybe a crown here. Yeah, that seems pretty good. So I'm going to take a selfie for this. Oh, my crown's a bit off. I'm going to have to redo that selfie. Ooh. There we go. I'll hit next. It's going to upload the video. I'm going to keep this. This is now my topic focus. I'm going to update my topic. And I can see now students can click on the video and they have access to that when they're looking at what is this topic, what is this Flipgrid assignment all about. They'll see kind of the completed video that I had. So if you want, this is an easy way, like I said, to share videos with students. And this is how you can add one. You could do the same under record a response. It would be very similar kind of setup for any of that there too. So hopefully that works for you. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks so much.